This is a regular boring sound effect. Now this is a tonal sound effect transition. Hear the difference? They look the same, but have completely different emotion. Regular sound effect, tonal sound effect. Regular whooshes and sound effects like risers and impacts and whooshes have completely dominated the videography market for the past decade. Regular sound effects fill space. They imitate the real world, like a wish on a camera movement or a snap of a transition, but they don't say anything. They mimic motion, not emotion. Basically, they're just noise. Simply noise. But there's a new sheriff in town, the tonal sound effect. It's musical, it's key matched, and it gives editors the power to score their own films without leaving their video editing software. Tonal sound effects create emotion, and they come in all 12 keys. You can blend them with your music, sit in the key, carry the mood forward instead of just breaking it with another song. With tonal sound effects, you're not just adding sound, you're adding a feeling. Watch me transition to a licensed song in 3, 2, hear how seamless that was? That is the power that I'm talking about. In this video, I'm gonna give you 3 reasons why tonal sound effects are the future of filmmaking. And the reason number 1, I literally just showed you. You're no longer restricted by licensed music. Listen, I'm not anti-licensed music, I still use it, but I think it's important to recognize the box that it puts us in. When you license a song, you're licensing something that was created as a finished product. It's already been arranged. It's already been mixed. It already has a tempo, a key, a structure, a whole vibe. So when you drop that track into your edit, you're not just adding music, you're also locking yourself into a very specific framework. The pacing, already decided. The emotional arc, completely already mapped out. The transitions already baked in. And now it's on you to mold your film around that, instead of molding the music around your story. See the problem? It's actually backwards. There's literally so many examples I could use of this, but imagine you have like a licensed song that's pretty upbeat and fast, just like this one. Now watch me transition into a more slower and tender moment. See how easy that was? Tonal sound effects literally bridge the gap. Now watch me bring the licensed song back in 3, 2. Guys, the modern filmmaker doesn't have to rely on the perfect licensed song. You don't have to spend hours looking for the perfect song. You can shape your story and emotion with tonal sound effects. Reason number 2, we're moving fast here. You can reimagine songs that already exist. This is freaking wild, you guys. The problem is we've lost originality in the filmmaking space. Everyone's using the same licensed song, the same trending songs, but tonal sound effects let you reshape those songs, completely twist an emotion and make it your own, making your content really stand out. Imagine taking this pop song by Post Malone,
then you're left in the dust unless I stuck by you. You're a sunflower, I think,
and turning it into a cinematic ballad for your videos.
and I'm not trying to lose. Then you're left in the dust unless I stuck by you. You're a sunflower, I think your love would be too much, or you'd be left in the dust unless I stuck by you. You're the sunflower, you're the sunflower.
Bro, what? So freaking cool. Am I the only one who thinks this is freaking legit? Okay, I'll show you one more example.
Just come outside for the night.
Reason number 3, we're moving fast. Final reason, you have complete creative autonomy. You can build your soundtrack from scratch, from the ground up. Let's say you're trying to find the perfect licensed song and you're like, screw it, I can make my own. Let me make music that matches my story completely. Check this video out. Literally no licensed music, just a drone, chord progression, a melody, and a couple hits and transitions. All right, listen, when you use tonal sound effects, you stop just being an editor or videographer who captures visuals. You start becoming a composer of emotion. If you are ready to redefine what it means to be a video editor, to take control of the music and emotions in your films, then go check out the Film Score Collections by Multiply Sound. I'm running a discount right now. Use the code in the description of this video because the future of filmmaking doesn't belong to those who use what everyone else is using. It belongs to the ones who create their own sound.